Hey guys, so just finished filming the video swatching all of the eye gloss powders by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I always have, so I collect Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I always have people ask me, how do you display your product? This is really cool because the more he comes out with, the more spots you'll have, but then also they fit perfectly like this. So if you want to take up more room so that there's less empty space, that's possible. So that's how, for the time being, I will be displaying my eye gloss powders. Just wanted to let you guys know about that. And those are his liquid lipstick cases, of course, or his liquid lipstick displays, of course. Really enjoy these. My favorite color is probably between Peach Goddess and Blunt of Diamond. So yeah, I really like these. I love the effect that they give on the eye. I think it's really pretty. I did my best to swatch them in video and as a photo, so you guys will see what I mean by that. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. It does mean a lot to me, seriously. Thank you so much. Bye. Alrighty guys, so we have Crystal Joint, which is an icy white with gold and silver pearl. I kept the editing to a minimum. I just edited and smoothed out the skin. Then we have Blunt of Diamonds, which is an icy white with silver shimmer. Definitely one of my favorites. It truly does look wet on the lid. Stardacity is a champagne with multicolor pearls. I found the photos were picking up a lot of just discoloration in my skin, so I thought, fuck it, I'll just edit it, neutralize it. Then we have Frozen Fire, which is a sheer champagne with a pink gold shift. We have Voodoo Glass, which is a sheer gold green shift. Brain Freeze is a sheer blue with silver and gold shimmer. I definitely would have loved this back in the day when I was in my mermaid phase. I was wearing like blue and purple eyeshadow every day. Then we have Peach Goddess, which is a peachy gold with multicolored pearls. One of my favorites, easily. That and Blunt of Diamonds, probably my most favorite. Then we have Mood Ring, which is a sheer lavender with an icy silver pearl. I like the ones with icy silver pearls. I think those are really gorge. Then we have Voyeurism, which is a light brown with silver, pink, and gold pearls. And then we have Wyoming Window, which is a brown with gold shimmer. Giving me very like Solid Gold Dancer, Studio 54. Black Onyx, which is a black with silver and white pearls, which really does look like the black highlighter that he released ages ago. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.